Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video again on Driving Lessons Cork.ie. Now, today we're going to go through a topic that might be of interest to some and may not be too much of interest to others. That is the topic of parking a car on a hill. Now, folks, some people know that some strong people pull up a handbrake very high in a car when they park it on a hill. Now, this needs to be done, okay? Because when you park a car on a hill, you need to get that handbrake up as high as you can when you're pulling up the handbrake, okay? So, if necessary, folks, when you stop the car on the hill and you have your foot on the foot brake, use your two hands, if necessary, to pull up the handbrake and pull it up as high as you can, especially if you're parking on a steep hill. When the handbrake is on then, and only when the handbrake is on, when you're parking on a hill, should you then release the foot brake. Okay? Now, if you're leaving the car parked on the hill and you're getting out of the car to leave it for a little while, you're best advised to consider leaving the car in gear. So if you're parked facing up a hill, you might be leaving the car in first gear. So if the handbrake fails, the car does not want to roll back down the hill. Or if you're facing the car down a hill, you might consider leaving the car in reverse gear. Again, so if the handbrake fails, the car may not want to go downhill because it's in reverse gear. Now, these are little tips that might only help you if the handbrake in the car fails for some reason. Another little tip you could try as well, folks, is when you're parking a car on the hill, before you turn the car off, assuming now you have the handbrake on as much as you can, just turn the wheel a little bit too, so that if the car does roll, you know that with the steering wheel turned a little bit before you get out of the car, that the car, if it does roll, it'll only go into the curb rather than down a hill. Okay? So there are a few little tips now you can consider when you're parking a car on a hill. I know people who have lost their cars because they parked them on a hill and they didn't get the handbrake up high enough when they left the car. And of course, when they went to come back then and to go into the car again, the car was no longer there. Now, thankfully, I don't know of anyone whose car caused serious damage when it rolled down the hill, you know. But these things do happen. So always be careful when you park a car on a hill. You do want the car there when you come back. You know, you outlay enough on the cost of a car insurance, so on and so forth, that you want to mind the car when you park it on a hill. Okay, folks, hope that information now might be of benefit to some of you. If you have any queries or comments on this video, please do put them into the description or put them in the comment section of this video underneath the video. Do give us a hit the like button if you like the video, and do subscribe to our channel for future videos on the topics of driving. Okay, folks, until the next video, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye for now.